Hi everyone, welcome to this Power BI tips. Let us say you are working with a large dataset that contains sales information and you want to calculate total sale of each product category. While this measure accurately calculates the total sale, it is not the most efficient approach, especially on large dataset. SumX function iterate through the sales table, that is this table, and perform the calculation on every row of the table. This will significantly slow down the report. A more efficient way using summarize function. Summarize functions group the sales table based on the product category name and perform the total sales calculation. This is the summarized table based on the product category. By pre-aggregating the data before using SumX, we can reduce the number of iterations and improve the performance. In this summarized sales table, we have only 17 rows to iterate, while in sales table, we have more than 60,000 rows to iterate. This first row, that is mountain bike, is equal to 4,970 rows in the sales table. When we group this sales table based on the mountain bike, we'll get a 4,970 rows. We use SumX to iterate over the summarized sales table and perform the total sale calculation across all this category. I have created two reports, that is one using SumX on sales table, second report using SumX on summarized table. We will use a performance analyzer on both report and to see which one is performing well. First, we will analyze the report using SumX on sales table. We got 506 milliseconds for the first table and 353 milliseconds for second report that we use summarize function. This demonstrates the importance of optimizing DAX calculation and avoiding overuse of iterator function like SumX. See you next time with another interesting topic.